1. In this video, we show how Exosome Microneedling for hair loss is performed step by step using the OneNeed Pro microneedling device by Campomats, one of the most advanced treatments for stimulating natural hair regrowth. Before starting, we carefully prepare both our microneedling device and the product. We open the vial containing the exosomes, aspirate the product, and apply them in the area to treat. This step ensures the active ingredients are ready to be delivered evenly across the scalp. For this treatment, we use the OneNeed Pro microneedling device, which is both medical CE and FDA. We typically set the needle depth to 0.5 millimeters, adjusting to 0.3 or less if the patient's scalp is more sensitive. Speed and depth are precisely adjusted using the dedicated ring on the handpiece, featuring Campomats' PDDS patent. The procedure is very well tolerated, and the patient is relaxed during the treatment. We begin by targeting the most critical areas, typically the frontal and temporal areas, which are most commonly affected, especially in male patients. As OneNeed Pro works, the exosomes are delivered through controlled microchannels created by the needles. We aim for light redness without bleeding, a clear sign that the skin is properly stimulated. The procedure is not painful at all. Exosomes contain powerful growth factors and enzymes that reactivate the hair follicles, improving thickness and density over time. From the first sessions, the hair appears stronger and healthier. This treatment is usually performed once a month for 5 to 6 sessions. It can also be used as a maintenance protocol after a hair transplant. After completing the top and frontal areas, we continue with the back part of the scalp. After the session, it's important not to wash the hair for at least 24 hours. This allows the exosomes to be fully absorbed thanks to the microneedling treatment. A light scalp massage helps the product penetrate deeper. In some cases, we also recommend home care therapy, such as oral supplements and topical lotions, to maximize the results. OneNeed Pro with exosomes represents an advanced, minimally invasive solution to stimulate hair regrowth in a safe and effective way.